Peace to all the Aborigines out there. So, I was in my town or whatever, came across this statue that you see here on the screen, done by this woman by the name of Geraldine McCullough. As you can see, there's a statue, and that's Geraldine McCullough there. There's another picture over there. So it kind of bothered me a little bit when I got to looking a little deeper into this. It's kind of crazy. Take a look at the literature that they put on it, right? They say it's a depiction of an African chieftain, but why would it have an Indian prayer wheel? It has an Indian headdress on it, and it seems to be a Pickaninny Indian, but the depiction is of Martin Luther King, but with the shrunken body like a Pickaninny. So let's take another look at this lady. There's a picture of her. There's a closer picture of her, right? So I looked into it. This is what they say about it. They say that this woman is African American. African American. Does that woman look African American to you? Does that woman look African American to you? Once again, depiction of Martin Luther King with the Indian headdress on, looking like a Pickaninny Indian. It's a little literature on her. Now check this video out, because the description underneath this statue that I ran into, you have to read this. This is crazy.
Eugenics. Check out the name of the statue. The fuck out of here. It's supposed to be Martin Luther King. Check this shit out.
It's a trip, man. I'm telling you, like it's insane.
I looked up the person that did this. It's a fucking white lady. But the symbolism is crazy though. Why the fuck do he have an American eagle on his head and a fucking Indian crown? Motherfuckers need to stop playing games. Check out the name of.
There you have it. I mean, the eugenics movement was real back then, I see. It was real. I mean, they were coming at you from all shapes and forms.
The statue. The fuck out of here.
Once again, this is the woman here. That's the woman there with the statue. There is the literature on the statue. Give you a chance to read that. And here's what they have this woman classified as you can see. African American woman. I don't know. I just don't know. You be the judge of that one.